Hey everybody, my brother's right there. We're gonna have a Nerf war. And yeah, you can see my brother's right there. That's his base right there. And then my base is right here. And let me just show you the guns that I'll be using. The Nerf guns that I'll be using during the Nerf war. So there's the Praxis, the Vortex Praxis, and then the Elite Alpha Trooper, and then a Jolt. It's not Elite, it's End Strike. Let me just you know how that looks like. There you go. Then I got my stock of the I have Praxis stock, and then some darts there and clips and discs. So let me just show you. There's a tripod, and then that's my base. I just covered it with I just placed a truck there, so because no, I just want to put it there because there's nowhere else I can put it, so I just placed it there. And then my boxes are right there, and the box, see Iron Man, Marvel Legends right there. I have a review in that. You can just check it out. Check my YouTube channel. And then there's my box and the guns my brother will be using. Whoa, I almost fell. So he's right there. So the guns he'll be using are the long strike, and it's the long strike. He's got darts right here, and then a jolt, and then are you gonna be using something else, or that's it?
That's it.
Okay, so yeah. And then there's my Nerf, you know, that's my base. And then that's his base right there. And then let me just put the tripod, put the camera on the tripod, and we're gonna start. So, gonna put in my Alpha Trooper. This is gonna be the first Nerf war that that I have on my Nerf. On my YouTube channel. So, okay, let's go. We're gonna shoot each other. Shane, let's go. What's taking him so long? Okay, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, it's jammed. What the?
You always miss. Oh, thanks for just giving me bullets.
No, that was not strong. So, set this back, and there's the thing. Oh, shot me.
Oh!
He's actually almost shooting me, and I haven't shot him yet.
Bullets! Oh, come on!
Gonna do that. So, whoa, you shot me. Nice. So,
Oh, man!
oh, that was close.
You!
Actually, picking up the darts that fell down. Did I get you? Yeah. Gonna hide here. Whoa, chunky. Reload. Reload. 2 more darts. 2 more darts. Reload 2 more darts. Shot me in the head. Cool. Headshot. That's cool. Let me just show right here so you guys can see me shooting right there.
Oh, you hit me!
Wow, it went in the room. Oh, got some darts. did I go?
They always miss.
Oh, he shot me!
Keep on shooting.
Nice. Wow, got down.
Miss!
No more darts. I'm out of ammo.
We're both using darts.
He is also using the jolt. And yeah, we're both using the jolt. And then I'm just getting darts here in the box. So I think you won. Yeah, I think you shot me more than I did. So yeah, that's the Nerf war. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Whoa. So yeah, got some darts right there. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And oh yeah, the trivia question is in the description. Both the answers and the new question. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the review. I mean, no, not review. Nerf war. So yeah, thank you for watching and bye.